Hi all, this is Anisha Dia from Informatica GCS. In this video, we will be talking about LDM restore and backup. The agenda for this particular video would be how to take an LDM backup, how to restore the LDM backup, and then the demo. Before we take a LDM backup, we need to first understand whether our application is a TLS enabled application or not. If it is a TLS enabled application, then we need to perform few prerequisites, which is nothing but exporting the infra-trusto, infra-keystore, infra-trusto password and infra-keystore password. These environment variables consist of the absolute path to folder where infra-trusto.jks file is present. For infra-keystore, it is absolute path to folder where infra-keystore.jks file is present. And for the passwords, it should be encrypted. This can be done with the utility pmpass. So for the backup, we use this infra-cmd.sh script, which is placed under infra-home ISP bin. And preceding it, we will have -dn for domain name, -un for username, -p default password, -sdn for security domain of the user, -sn for the service name, and -hof for the backup output file. Similarly, for the restore, we perform these prerequisites and then run the infra-cmd.sh command for the restore contents. And this has the same command, but we have -if instead of -of for inputting the file that we need to perform restore. In this restoring, we need to take one more prerequisite into consideration, which is nothing but to disable the EDC services, and then we need to perform the restore. Let us jump into our demo. If you see here, we have provided the path ISP bin folder, and then the infra.cmd.sh script file is present. And then in the output file, we are providing a folder, and then we will be providing .zip file command. We'll make sure all your services are up, and EDC we are taking the backup of EDC service, so ICS and EDC service should be up along with MRS. While taking a backup, we do have a particular option where we can just take backup of few data store types, that is asset, orchestration, search, or similarity. As you can see, our backup is successful. One thing to note over here is while we are taking backup, our EDC service will be switched from regular mode to read-only mode. After the backup is done, it will switch back to read-only mode to regular mode. Let me perform restore now. Before performing restore, we need to disable click on the disable the service command for the catalog service. Once the catalog service is disabled, we are ready to perform the restore. Since we have already exported the prerequisites, that is the infra-trusto and infra-keystore, infra-trusto password and infra-keystore password in the same session, we do not have to rerun it. If it is in a separate session, then we have to provide those prerequisites along with the shutting down of EDC service. Let us run the command. As you can see, all the data is being restored. Thank you so much for your time. So in this summary, we have the product document that is needed for the backup and the backup commands, and for restore and backup, we do have few KB links. You can refer to it. Please provide your humble feedback over these platforms. Thank you.